Alright, so we're asked to find sine of 420 degrees, and we're asked to do that using the double angles formulas. So the first thing I want to do is this. I want to remind you of that, and we know that sine of 2u is equal to 2 sine u cosine u. And you might think, how is that helpful? Well, you tell me what sine of 420 degrees is without using a calculator. And so this is what I did. Stop being a smart ass, I guess. This is what I did. I just took this. I was like, okay, I got sine of 420. Well, sine of 420 is sine of 210 plus 210. Isn't that 420? And if you wonder why I chose that, well, let's take a quick look here. So here we are at the unit circle, and I'm looking for 420 degrees, and as you can see, it's not here. So it gets to be a mess. But if I go to 210, I can find that. So here's 210 degrees on my unit circle. So that's why I'm pursuing this the way I am. Wow, I'm going to learn how to speak to it a little bit better. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to say that sine of 210 degrees, 2u, right? U was 210, 2u, is equal to 2 times sine of 210, 2 times sine of 210 degrees times cosine of 210 degrees. And then now I'm going to be able to fill in the blanks here because I know, let's go and take a quick peek here. Where's my, right? Sine of 210 is negative 1/2, right? So is negative 1/2, and then opposite square root 3 over 2 is the cosine value. So I'll go back to my work here and say 2 times, we said that sine of 210 is negative 1/2, right? Times, well, cosine of 210 is negative square root 3 over 2. It's the opposite there, isn't it? So here we multiply this out, we get negative 1 times negative square root 3 over 2 is equal to, negative times a negative is a positive, so is equal to 3, I'm sorry, square root of 3 over 2, and that's our answer. And I don't think that we would have been able to solve this using another form. And if you're sitting there saying, well, I have a calculator, and I'm saying to you, well, what if your trig professor says, au contraire, mon frère? So hope this was really, really helpful to you. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. I'm going to do the next video, instead of doing degrees, I'm going to do the same exercise in radians, and I think I'm going to use, let me see what I'm going to, my notes here. I'm going to use sine of 2 pi over 3 and do that one next. So if this is helpful, please watch the next one, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe.